Okay, I've got a new giant of old here, just south of Pocatello, Idaho, and so right there would be the right eye, that's the left eye. See the nose and you can see the mouth. And right there is the whole head of the giant. It's got to be at least 1,000 feet across, but I'd say it's more than that. And that's the interstate that goes into Pocatello. But very detailed giant face, unmistakable. I could see it from very long ways away. And there's more in here and back over here, but this one right here is the one I stopped for. Detail. Wow. Incredible. I think it's a Native American's face. I say that because we're in Blackfoot country and we're right next to the Shoshone casino. We're about a mile west of it. There it is. A new giant of old in Pocatello. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. New Giants of Old by Wehner. Cool.